Hey guys! Today mag-ano tayo ha? Inasal barbecue. It's not pork, but it's chicken. But it's chicken feet and chicken thighs. But I slice the thighs because it's boneless. So, watch out! I will let my hubby eat chicken feet. So, let's see kung talagang makakain siya ng chicken feet. Okay? Guys, it's been 3 hours already na nakababad siya. Na nakamarinate. So, look at my chicken feet, guys. Woo! Look at that. Oh, oh, oh. And that's a chicken thighs that is boneless. And I got a sauce na I got here the recipe. Okay? So, ayan na. Let's go to the grill station. I will grill it outside, okay? Yan. Grill. I prefer the oling than the thing. That's why we choose that kind of grill. Kasi gusto ko sa oling. Ayan. I don't know, namatay na siya. Yan. Ito namang mamatay, oh. Doon. Hintayin natin namang baga. Ayan, nagdilaab, guys. Nagdilaab. Okay. Really? Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at the chicken feet. I ate the other one already. Oh gosh, I'm a mess. I'm making a mess here. It's hot. There you go. Ooh. Oh, this one's done. Oh guys, look at that. Oh. Move over there. Move. Yeah. There you go. Got my mess. That's the last batch. Okay. Oh yeah. All the chickens at the bottom. The chicken's feet at the bottom. And it's burning. Some are burning. But it's fine. It's fine. It's a nice weather. Ooh, afternoon here. Like 6:20, 6:30. What is it? Something like that. Alright. Hubby is not here yet. He's coming. When I'm done, he's gonna be here, I think. So yeah.
How about a fist fight?
Quit. Eat it.
Hey, look, two nose.
Eat.
Hey, Charlie, want to me. I don't look, flipping me off.
It's good, guys.
Look, it's shooting the finger. That's bad. Help me, Lord, help me. I can't eat. Keep sticking his finger in my nose. Where's the meat? I ain't got no meat.
There's no meat in it. It's just
There's nothing there.
skin. If it's soft, eat it. If it's
There
not,
ain't nothing soft.
you just don't know how to eat it.
I said, you want to meet my friend?
You're such.
Looky here, watch this.
Hey.
Oh, maybe.
Guys, it's fit. Yeah. First time eating chicken feet.
Just chicken.
Yeah, it's just chicken.
The only thing I don't like about chicken feet, there ain't no meat.
Yeah, but it's just, you know, just for fun. We're having fun eating it.
I scratched my ear.